because it's isolating and pre-exhausting the quad, and then you're going to get much more out of a compound exercise after that. So let's say you did this first, and then you did squats or leg press second. You're going to get much more out of that second exercise by doing it in that order, because you've pre-exhausted the quads, whereas your hamstrings and your glutes and your lower back and everything else is fresh. So it's more likely that the second exercise your quads are going to fail because you've already pre-exhausted them. Yeah? So that's the idea. And it's back against the board, hips down, don't come out of the seat. Up, pause, control. Up, pause, control. So there's a definite pause at the top in the contracted position. Contract, control it down. Contract, control it down. Okay, so as with everything, we're going to start out light, do a light set, do a medium set, and then get on with the real work. Okay?